Hey everybody, just wanted to introduce my project onto YouTube. This is my 1997 Dodge Viper GTS. I purchased probably 3 or 4 months ago, basically in this state of disrepair. Car's in an accident. You can see here I've done a little bit of work so far. Try to link some pictures of the damage before. This section of the frame was damaged. Not terribly, but enough to have to be replaced. It is a 40, I don't remember how many miles is on it. 40 something thousand. Go inside here, I'll show you the inside. Actually in fairly good condition considering. Here we go. I can't focus it. 40,500 miles. Airbags, as you can see, did go off during the accident. Sorry, this is a camera phone.